Welcome back, students. In the previous module we have discussed more about flower, its various conditions, means types, and male reproductive part. Students, as you know that the male part you can also call it male gametangia, okay, and this can be represented by this symbol, means it is the male reproductive symbol, reproductive part symbol, okay, and this part is also called, already you knowing, androecium, okay, in which the anther and filament will be there, right? After that, the second part of flower means female gametangia. Female gametangia you can also represent with the help of symbol, means female part symbol, and this female gametangia is also called gynoecium. A typical gynoecium having different distinct structures like stigma, style, ovary. Below the ovary means the base of the ovary is called thalamus, and then pedicel. Pedicel is also called stalk of flower. Okay, so when these both male and female parts are mature, means male part able to produce the gametes, okay, and the female part also become fully mature, then fertilization takes place, okay, and the condition of fertilization may be different, as you know, in a typical angiospermic plant having a very important situation which is called double fertilization, okay, double fertilization, right? When pollens get mature and produce the two male nuclei, so two times fertilization will occurs, one with polar nuclei which will form the triploid condition, okay, and forms endosperm. Then the second situation, that will be egg cell, okay, egg cell and second male gamete fuses together to form zygote. So after the fertilization, means when the syngamy occurs between the flower parts, either same or different, means self pollination and cross pollination, two situations may be there, okay. After that, it will produces the complete structure of endosperm and zygote, okay. As you can observe here, the condition of double fertilization, okay, as you can look over here, the egg cell is there, egg cell plus one male gametes. When these both get fuses, so what will forms? They will form the zygote, okay. And the two polar nuclei, when two polar nuclei fuses with second male gamete, then it is form, it will forms the PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, okay. And you know, after the formation of zygote, the process of mitosis will occurs, which will further forms the embryo. As you can observe here, the condition of embryo, the structure of embryo may be different, okay, and here you can observe the condition of mature ovule, embryo sac. Embryo sac is containing the various parts, okay. First one, these all are the these all are the, what is the name of these all structures, and second structure, then third structure, and this is the fourth structure, okay. So as you are already knowing in the previous classes, these two polar nuclei are there, this one is egg cell, and these are the synergids along with filiform apparatus, okay. So first fusion will occurs with the polar nuclei, which will form the PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, and then second will fuses with egg cell, okay, and forms the zygote. Clear? So, and here you can observe the condition of pollen grain. Pollen grain is looking here along with its pollen tube and containing two male nuclei, okay, two male nuclei are here inside it. Okay, so that is the situation during the syngamy. And furthermore, you can observe here, when the new generation will produces after the complete process of fertilization, either it may be sporophytic, means diploid 2n, or gametophytic, means haploid. Okay, and you already knowing about the life cycle of plants. There is the alternation of generation. Okay, alternation of generation means both of the conditions means sporophytic and gametophytic simultaneously, okay, comes, right? Firstly sporophytic means diploid situation, then gametophytic situation will occurs. Okay, it is different according to the life cycle. As you know, the life cycles are different: haplontic, diplontic, and haplodiplontic for the various plant categories and algae. Okay, and you know, the bisexual flower having, already you all knowing about this, the bisexual condition having both of the part, means Androecium, Gynoecium, its part, stamen, anther, filament, etc. As the same in carpel, stigma, style, ovary. Okay, so that is simple. All are you knowing already about this. In next video we will discuss about to the events. Okay, events before the fertilization, means pre-fertilization event, and then the second one, that is post-fertilization event. Okay, so students, in the next video we will discuss about to the events during the before the fertilization and after the fertilization, which is called pre-fertilization event and post-fertilization event. Okay, thank you.